Prime Minister, you know say no rate ghetto people.
We have to lock down because the persons who are going to the corner shop on a Sunday or a Saturday or whichever day to buy the 2 pound of rice, the big jar of oil, the half of bread and so forth, and the half of chicken or chicken parts or chicken back. Those persons are not wearing their masks. They are not social distancing.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, the Prime Minister make a speech I don't like. The Prime Minister come out blatantly and say, I ghetto people, are people them we cannot afford to buy stuff monthly, and them mostly spread the corona. And that's the reason why we had the 3-week lockdown, 3 weekends lockdown. I'm here to say, yo, John Star, this is discrimination at its best. Now people, when you know so I don't normally do videos like these, I talk to a camera, I actually feel weird talking to a camera. So that's why I'm ready to do voiceover videos. But I did have to forward out and tell the Prime Minister to him face, because I know him going to see this. Prime Minister, you know say you don't rate ghetto people. I want to really just use ghetto people. And I pray say the people them just wise up in an election time and don't make nobody again, you know, big jilla aisle. I know create a Guinness and them thing and telling us if you vote for them. We want to see changes. Now what the Prime Minister said is this exact word. I'm not even going to quote him. Alright? So listen to this video.
We have to lock down because the persons who are going to the corner shop on a Sunday or a Saturday or whichever day to buy the 2 pound of rice, the big jar of oil, the half of bread and so forth, and the half of chicken or chicken parts or chicken back. Those persons are not wearing their masks. They are not social distancing.
Now that is the part of the video where go viral. Him upload a 5-minute version on his official Instagram page, and I think him uploaded on him YouTube, Facebook page as well. But him a try to say he never mean it that way. But Prime Minister, that's what you said. I can't believe you say something like that. The poor people them will vote for you. The poor people them will run up and down in a corona time and vote for you, and upon this a motorcade, that the motorcade. That's why I want people, you know, ghetto people, and not only ghetto people but Jamaicans. Stop make them politicians take on for idiot. Because an idiot Andrew Holness take the people them for right now. And Andrew Holness set him thing in such a way where if you try to say something bad against him or try, you know, try to say something, him go like him want to lock you up. Prime Minister, I'm not going to tell about your mother. I'm not going to tell you a bad word, so don't come for me and lock me up. But when I try to tell you, say, you make that speech there. There's nothing in the world can make you take back that speech there. Where say are the people them where go to the corner shop, go buy the big jar of oil, and the people them where go to the corner shop, go buy the 2 pound of chicken, 2 pound of chicken back, and them people spread the corona. Now, before you said that, you made a speech where say some people can go price smart, go buy for 1 month and them things.
So they are not able to stock up like Vernon, who gets his pay on a monthly basis and goes to Price Mart and comes out with 3 or 4 trolleys.
Oh, I wish.
So I'm going to ask you something. The Price Mart people them no can bring corona too. The Price Mart people them no can share corona. I don't understand where you did that try get. I don't get the point where you did that try make. Zine? Because when the lockdown did start, the 3-week lockdown, remember say people line up front of Price Mart from about 5 o'clock in the morning. Remember say the line the long go straight go back on Dunrabin Road from Price Mart, and everybody know who know where Price Mart there? Price Mart the near to Price Right on Red Hills Road, and the line go straight out of Dunrabin, the crossing past Calabar there so. So what y'all try say? Me can't get that speech, Mr. Prime Minister. And it sound like this the poorer class of people and the people who cannot afford to go supermarket or go market one time a week. Prime Minister, you're supposed to know a whole heap of people in Jamaica live hand to mouth, you know. And that is why this lockdown thing was such a big issue. Prime Minister, a whole heap of people where them cannot afford tomorrow meal, them only can afford today meal. So we are try say, because them people are run, go shop, them a spread corona more. Furthermore, it's not every shop in the ghetto when you go, you can't wear your mask. Me know a shop right now in some inner city or some poorer class neighborhood where you cannot go to them shop there and have on your mask. As a matter of fact, I've seen some screenshot where the shopkeeper them set up something where them put them price listing outside and you have to literally stay outside and push the money through one little something and you get your goods. No contact no there. And I've been to uptown supermarkets and uptown business places where they don't ask me if I put on my mask. So Prime Minister, we are trying to say that a classism, man. I don't like that speech where you make Mr. Prime Minister. I notice every time I tell you, I call you Mr. Prime Minister, I don't want you to lock me up. I don't want you to lock me up. I'm not going to tell you the derogatory things, but Mr. Prime Minister, no matter what speech you make, the speech up on him Instagram page, I'm not going to read it out right now. No matter what the longer video you produce and say, yo, this is what actually been said or whatever. The fact remain, you say what you say. I'm not like that. Me not like that. And I think I can speak for the majority. Because at the end of the day, the majority of Jamaicans are living in poverty or in the little middle class something there. And even some people will have them nice work and them nice work uptown and nice work at New Kingston. Them still cannot afford to shop once a week. Or I should say once a month. There are some people who get paid bi-weekly. So Mr. Prime Minister, what you say? Enough people uptown, you know, where you see some nice work and some nice job and to mouth them a live, you know. Because when them done, them have student loan for pay, them have mortgage for pay, them have some little loan where them take out for pay, them have car note for pay. So when you check it out, sometimes the people them were living at the middle class, quote unquote middle class, them all live same like the poorer class. Mr. Prime Minister, clean up that speech, please. Alright? Please. I don't like it. I don't like it. And as I say, people, I don't normally do a video like this. But try do the video like 3 different times. I might have to delete it and I just say, yo, you know what? I come on camera and talk my mind. You see me? And then me lose off of one particular social media influencer. Because yes, she's an influencer. I'm not calling her name. But you don't know who. Put the name in the comment section. At first, you run out and say, Mr. Prime Minister, you never. This is Prime Minister. You talk fear and you talk and say you don't like it. And listen to the 11-minute video. You say, Mr. Prime Minister, you don't like that speech there and you don't like that. And you really wouldn't want Mr. Prime Minister to forward and fix up himself. Now, you do a next long video and say, well, you understand what the Prime Minister say, don't I shopping I ghetto people now wear them masks. I want to man ghetto people wear masks too. Ghetto shop them wear masks too. What you try to say? Same like you have some shop in the ghetto, don't wear no mask. You have some shop uptown, no wear no mask too. Same way. And then you forward back and I change your mode. I don't like that, man. I don't like that. And I'm not one to bash anybody, but me just talk my mind in another video. I don't like that. You see me? When you just treat ghetto people and poor people like some big baboony, imagine when election time I go on with it up in a corona. You see me? Everybody a run. Everybody afraid of corona, this and that and that. You free up everything. Party did I keep, and yes, they never did I lock them down because the police them turn a blind eye. But at the end of the day, nomination day, little party, bag of motorcade a go on and everybody did a campaign. Same good. You see me, because you want to vote. Even people who test positive for corona, you tell them to come out and vote for you. Yes, are them right, but you emphasize on it because you want to vote. So now you get to vote them from the ghetto people, them. Ghetto people putting a power, you know. You get the vote from the ghetto people, them. You want to turn around and style them, Mr. Prime Minister? Come on, man. I don't like that speech. I don't like it. I don't like it. I will post the full video because I not instigate nothing. I post the full video like what he post on film Instagram. I not cut it. I post the full video and then who no take wanna get from the full video. But the fact remains, say what you say. Zine? Alright. People, big up on yourself. Thanks for supporting me. Alright, I'm gone.